Hello everyone, welcome to Code Enzyme, and in this video let's discuss this problem Xorry 2. So it is very similar to Xorry 1, and the only difference is instead of printing the pairs, we want to count the number of pairs. And I think I don't need to read the problem anymore. So before starting this video, I would like you to hit that like and subscribe button, because majority of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel, and it doesn't cost you anything, but it will help me a lot. So thanks. Now let's see the sample input directly. So let's just see the case for 6 comma. Let's just see the case for 6 n equal to 6. So we have 6. Now 6 is like 1 1 0, and we have I can get 1 0 0 and 0 1 0, or I can get I can get 1 0 0, or I can get I can make both these equals to 1, right? So I can simply make it 1 1 1. So this corresponds to 4 comma 2, and this corresponds to, I think it corresponds to what, 5 comma 3. Yeah, so there are two possible pairs, so that is why the answer is 2. Now let's discuss the approach. Okay, so let's say my x is something like 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, I took a random number. I don't know what this is, but the point is, like, what is my a? Like, if you saw the previous video, the a will be something like 0 0 in the start, right? And what is my b? It is initially it has all zeros, right? Now, like, okay, now this is fixed. Now if I have a 1 here, let me write it more clearly. Let's say my x is something like 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 0. Okay, and my a is something like a is currently 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, and my b is 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 0. Okay, now this pair is fixed, so it can't influence my answer. Okay, now this pair, like, we have a 1 here. Now since this is the first one, I have to increase my b, right? Like, wherever we have ones, I have to increase my I have to say, okay, b will be 1, right? And wherever we have zeros, I can say I can increase my increase either I can put both of them to 0, or I can increase both of them by 1. Like in the previous problem, we were only increasing my b, right? Like in the else case, what can I do is I can increase both the numbers. Instead of only increasing one, I can say, okay, why not increase both the numbers, right? I can also say a is equals to a, or 1 less than the. But the thing is, I don't want my a to be greater than n. I want my, or I should say x. A should always be less than or equals to x. And to make sure that this happens, I have to skip one of the one that is in the, how should I say this? Like, if my x is something like 1 1 0 0, then, and if my a is like this 1 1 1 0, then I can I can convert this all these zeros to ones. Like 1 0 1 1 will obviously be less than 1 1 0 0, right? So if I have something like 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 and so on, this will obviously be less than this will always be greater than this. So if I skip a 1, like my first one when it occurs, how should I say this? Like, if I have some x is something like 1 1, and then we have all zeros, then I should say, let's say my x is something like 1 0 0 1 1 and then all zeros, right? Then I can say my like, this is fixed. Like, a will be 1, then 0 0 0, and b will be like 0 0 0 1 1. And now wherever here it has zeros, if this was a 0, then I can increase both these zeros to 1. I can make these zeros to equal to 1, or I can let them keep zeros. So this will make my answer into 2 into 2. So what I need to do is I just need to skip the first one that occurs in X from when I traverse it from left to right. I think it will become more clear in code. So let's just try to code this up very quickly. I know I'm going a bit too fast, but I want to make this video as quickly as possible. Otherwise, there will be issues with the views, right? Okay. So we have n equal to 6, right? Now what I can do is, I can just update this code. So I can say int answer equals to 1. And let's also have a bool variable. Check equals to, initially it is false. And now, like the first time when I encounter a 1, I can say check equals to true. And if I have a check, then I can say answer is equals to answer times 2. And in the end, I can simply print answer. Let's see if it is working. So for 6 we get a 2, which is the correct answer. And now let's just submit this up and see if it gives us a correct answer. So the approach was nothing. We just want to skip the first one that occurs, and after that, whenever we encounter a 0, my answer will be multiplied by 2. Okay. So if you were able to understand it, kindly like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you.